Hey, this is Valerie Veracity, and I want to thank you for joining me here today. And today I ventured out into the city, and I wanted to pick up just the sights and the sounds and things that are going on, and to show that in places life is still just going on as normal, and just to pick up the sounds of the cars, the winds, and the church bells. Now, I do have a recommendation. When I've listened to my past videos, I couldn't quite hear everything, but when I put my headphones in, I could. So I do recommend that if you have headphones, you may want to put them in, because you catch more sound that way. At least that's something that I noticed. Don't have the greatest camera. I'm trying to work on that. So just please bear with me. And I will also ask you to please go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss an episode, and also leave me a comment. I really do love hearing from everybody. Let me know what's going on in your area. And also, if you need somebody to talk to, I love to talk to anybody, and if I can help you in any way, please let me know. I always leave my email, how to contact me, and I love talking to each and every one of you. And this is an important time where we really need to come together. So, as I always say, enough of this fucking bullshit. Away we go. On with the show. I thought I would just come out today. I'm up in town. Just bring you some sights and some sounds of the city. Walk a little bit. I do have a question for everybody, and I want to let you leave it in the comments below. Does anybody actually know anybody with this virus? If you do, please leave me a comment. And I don't mean like a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend where you heard through the grapevine or something like that. Just curious. Just people out and about on a normal day. I'm actually on a side street. And as you can see, it's just business as normal. People walking around, driving, doing their thing. Now I'm gonna hush so you can enjoy.